Welcome to this tutorial on configuring and scheduling your classes with Zoom in Yuno Learning. To get started, the organization admin first needs to link Zoom with the Academy on the Organization Settings page. Once the integration is complete, the instructor can navigate to their Account Settings page, where the platform will load the settings interface and display the virtual classroom connection options. With the Academy now linked to Zoom, the instructor can connect their virtual classroom, ensuring that all upcoming classes will be synchronized and accessible through the platform. When prompted, click Sign In, and on the Zoom login screen, enter your email and password to access your account. After signing in, the platform will display a permissions request page for Yuno Learning. You will need to review the requested permissions and grant access to allow the integration to function properly. Once you allow the connection, you'll be ready to continue setting up and scheduling your classes seamlessly with Zoom. At last, you will receive a confirmation that your virtual classroom has been successfully connected. This confirmation indicates that the integration between Yuno Learning and Zoom is complete, and all future classes can now be scheduled, accessed, and managed directly through the platform without any issues.